Welcome to my channel, The Stoic Philosophy. Networking for Success.
Here are 10 instructions of networking for success. 1. Set clear networking goals. Before diving into networking, outline your objectives. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's finding new clients, learning from experts, securing a job, or building professional relationships. This will help you target the right events, groups, and individuals and approach networking with purpose. 2. Build genuine relationships. Networking isn't just about handing out business cards or making transactional connections. Focus on creating meaningful, long-term relationships by showing genuine interest in others' goals, challenges, and successes. Authenticity fosters trust, which is critical for future collaborations or support. 3. Be a good listener. Listening is key to effective networking. Instead of focusing on what you want to say next, actively listen to others. This helps you understand their needs and challenges, allowing you to offer better support or solutions. People appreciate those who listen and engage in thoughtful conversation. 4. Have a value proposition. Be clear about the value you bring to the table. Whether it's your expertise, skills, or unique insights, being able to succinctly communicate how you can help others makes you more memorable and valuable. Tailor your message to align with the interests and needs of the person or group you're networking with. 5. Follow up consistently. After meeting someone new, follow up within a reasonable time frame to strengthen the connection. Whether it's a thank you note, a LinkedIn message, or a suggestion for a next step, this follow-up shows that you're serious about maintaining the relationship and open to future interactions. 6. Leverage online platforms. In today's digital age, platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and industry-specific forums offer vast networking opportunities. Actively participate in these spaces by sharing relevant content, engaging in discussions, and connecting with professionals in your field. Online networking complements face-to-face interactions and broadens your reach. 7. Diversify your network. Don't limit yourself to only networking within your industry or comfort zone. Diverse connections can offer fresh perspectives, new ideas, and unexpected opportunities. Whether it's attending cross-industry events or connecting with individuals from different cultural backgrounds, diversity enhances your professional network's value. 8. Be proactive in offering help. A successful network is based on mutual value, not just taking from others. Offer help whenever possible, whether it's sharing resources, providing introductions, or offering advice. When you proactively contribute to others' success, they'll be more likely to help you in return when the time comes. 9. Attend networking events regularly. Consistency is key in building a robust network. Attend industry conferences, workshops, seminars, and meetups on a regular basis. Each event is an opportunity to meet new people, learn from experts, and reinforce existing connections. The more active you are, the more visible you become within your network. 10. Maintain a long-term perspective. Networking success isn't built overnight. Be patient and persistent in cultivating relationships, understanding that some connections may take time to materialize into opportunities. Focus on the long-term benefits of building a network, and don't expect immediate returns. A well-nurtured network will pay off over time in unforeseen ways. By implementing these strategies, you'll be better equipped to network effectively and achieve your professional goals.
Like and subscribe for more informative videos.